Ukrainian architect turned pastry chef Dinara Kasko is famous for her visually stunning cakes and pastries. Kasko uses 3D printed molds to create her complex geometric desserts. All her cakes start on a computer screen, inspiring others to experiment with their own ways of breaking the mold. The 29-year-old also uses construction tools, including spray guns and building spatulas, which give all of her creations her signature architectural touch. Nowadays, she cooks alongside the world's best pastry chefs and has nearly 1 million fan base on Instagram. Changing tastes in 2018 have seen many people embrace some unusual food trends, but Instagrammable dinners and cakes remain firm favorites. The edible Big Ben clock is greeting visitors to London's annual Cake and Bake Show, claimed to be the UK's biggest baking event.
People are loving the idea of making a statement with cake, getting a little bit of wow factor, being the centre of the party.
Cakes fit for royalty were also turning heads on display with the red, velvet and chocolate cake, which is what guests were served at Princess Eugene's wedding in Windsor.